In this video we're going to talk about posting on Sooper. First things first, head down to create a post. Now this post page is made up of a few sections. Two main sections are public and exclusive. Public information is, as the name suggests, public. Everything in here is indexed on Google SEO. Everybody, no matter if it's assigned to a specific tier, will see this content. So we have a thumbnail, title and a description, collections and tags. Let's start from the top. Audience. So this is where you set which audience type sees this post or has access to that particular piece of content. You can choose public, so this is people that are signed out of Sooper as well. Follower, this is a very powerful tool to gain emails and contacts and build your follower base. All followers receive automated email digests of new content and in-app notifications up here. And you can set the tiers. In my case I have two tiers, a videos only tier and everything else I do coaching. So let's just assign it to that. Head back. You can pin the post, which shows it here at the top of your homepage. You can schedule the post, which allows you to schedule content throughout the month, throughout the year, and you can show the scheduled content in the community calendar, which is down here on the right hand side of your community. So you add a thumbnail, title, description, collection. Now a collection is just an easy way to organize your content, so it makes content a lot easier to find for your members. This is what your collections look like. And within the collections you can choose tags. So tags allow you to sort of refine the search and find specific videos within that collection. To set the tags you just type them in here and hit enter. Now the exclusive detail, this is where you hide the piece of content behind the particular audience that you've chosen. So because I've chosen tier 2 on my membership, this is where you add videos, audio files, exclusive images, files, PDFs, anything that you want to add, and then you hit save post. And that's it, that's creating a post on Sooper.